Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates without a central bank or single administrator. Transactions are recorded and verified on a decentralized public ledger called the blockchain. Bitcoin can be bought and sold on various cryptocurrency exchanges and used to purchase good and service online. Bitcoin is the first and one of the most well-known cryptocurrencies. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the Poseidon Stories Nakamoto. Bitcoin enables peer-to-peer transaction without the need to intermediate such as bank transaction are verified and proceed through a network of computer running special software that solve complex mathematical questions. Bitcoin transactions are generally considered to be secure because of the cryptocurrency involved and the decentralized nature of the network. However, like any investment or currencies, there are risks. The value of Bitcoin can be highly volatile, meaning it can fail replenish sometimes dramatically in value. It is also important to note that Bitcoin is not widely accepted payment method and may not be legal in some countries. To buy and sell Bitcoin, you need to use a cryptocurrency exchange, which is a platform where users trade cryptocurrencies for the digital assets, as well as fiat currencies such as US dollar or Europe. You can also buy Bitcoin from peer-to-peer marketplace or from Bitcoin ATMs, which is subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.